Hi guys, it's Daisy here. Welcome back to my channel. Into this video, I will unbox my gift box for Christmas. It's the best time of the year. So first of all, Merry Christmas to all of you and hope you have a wonderful time of the year. So into this video, I will unbox my gift box for Christmas. I bought it from Amazon. So first of all, thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and share some love guys. Don't forget to share and subscribe and like. Let's go. That in Amazon. I found on Amazon because it's free shipping, and it's, you don't have to go to the shopping mall or everywhere because COVID. So this one I will unbox this and show it to you for presents. So if you give some presents to your loved one, you can check this in Amazon, and I will show you how it reads and what it fits there. Oh, nice one. Look guys. See, as you can see, I don't have presents yet. I have to get ready for Christmas. So, it's a Hallmark design shirt boxes, 12 pieces. So you can this is the box with cover, and you can put it's a set, so it's from Hallmark. Closer, something like that. We can check it, and wow, it's a Christmas color. So nice, a beautiful color of Christmas. And I'm wearing my Christmas pajamas. Oh, nice. So it's look like this and this. So I bought it on Amazon. It was on sale, $17.99, but it's 12 boxes. So there's that color. This is like green and red. It's like cherries. So nice guys. And then the next color, they have this, the snowman and the snowflakes. Okay, and it's about 12 pieces, so it's about like 4 each color, different colors. See guys, look at that guys. So nice. It's like trees, and then there's stripes. There's stripes guys. So now I will show you what we can put in there, what we can fit. So I have the sweater here. So I have the sweater, so we can put it like this, and it fits. Isn't that cool guys? It's so nice. And you just cover it. There you go. And you can put a Christmas card here, or Christmas sticker like Merry Christmas, and to whom you're gonna give this present, like your present. See, it's fit very perfectly, and you can put tape in here to close. Isn't that beautiful guys? It's amazing, this one. I love it. So that one, it's ready. And look at this, another one. Let's put it down a little bit. And I have a handmade hats for present. Look at this guys. So you can put this one here, and it's fit perfectly. Is that nice guys? So I made this hat, so it's a handmade hat, and you can use different color. Let's use this one. Just close it. Ta-da! Ta-da! It's really good. Nice guys. This is for the kids. And then we can use different color here. This one, snowman. Isn't that cool? So I really like these boxes. Very pretty. And I have the other one here. I have some hats for presents. It's fit t-shirts, it's fit sweater, it's fits like clothing, sweaters, jackets, like it's thin, not too thick. Like socks and everything. Dress. Guys, it's all done, my unboxing. So I hope this video is helpful for you and you have some ideas, and please comment below and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. So thank you for watching and have a happy holidays. Bye, see you in my next one. Share some love, guys.